Welcome back everyone to another unboxing, and this time is Nyaruko, the beach version. Although this is from Wave, as you can see from on the top left, it's kind of smaller than the usual figures that I purchase. So this is the one of the sides. And I would like to apologize since I'm using the audio from my Samsung Galaxy S3 and the dog barking in the background. And this is the back side, the other side, the top, the bottom. Alright, we'll be back after I have this outside of its box. Well guys, here you have it. Here's the figure. It is 1/10 scale. It's manufactured from Wave. And I think you could still grab one of this figure from Hobby Search right now. I think right now it's like in US dollars like $33, I think, or $34. So I suggest you get one while you still can. And this is what you get. And also you could change her I don't know, her cowlick hair or antenna. So yeah, this is what you get. And I should have a review, if not this month, probably at most next month. So until next time, see you everyone.